Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Cancers, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general reading, guys. So let's see what are the cards. We have Knight of Suns in reverse, Three of Spheres in reverse, and Neophyte of Moons. So, with these cards, guys, in your situation today, Cancers, you are seeing that in your situation, in your work, or in your relationship, maybe you simply rush towards something, but you lack that responsibility or commitment, guys. So it may be in your work, this energy may be yours in your work or someone's in your work that is affecting your potential, or it may be your energy in this relationship. Maybe you find someone interesting, you just move towards that person, ready for that relationship, but when it comes to commitment, you don't want commitment. You are just thinking and deciding for yourself because you are someone who may be quite you are not so responsible, guys. Maybe, or it may be this person's energy. Maybe you are devoted, you are honest, you want that beautiful relationship, strong relationship, but this person you are in relationship with, they do not want that. They want a casual fling, and they are not interested in deep communication or a deep bonding with you. So they are here just for fun, guys. So you need to be careful with this person. And maybe the way you are someone who works wholeheartedly. So whatever you take up, you are devoted to that choice, guys. Maybe in your work or in your relationship, it does not matter. You are someone who works deeply, so you make a lot of efforts, you are very responsible. So this nature of yours again is what is creating problems in your relationship, because this person is not like you. They are quite careless, they are not so responsible or committed to you or this connection. That again is the reason for troubles you are seeing in your relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you, their childish nature or their careless attitude is what is creating a lot of problems, guys. So you are unable to plan anything or do anything because they are not committed, they are not responsible, and they are what to say, if they change themselves, if they become quite responsible and committed, and they want to work or make efforts for this love, you will see greatness. But this person is not so. So their careless attitude is not going to work well for you, guys. And if you are able to change that, things are going to be different in your love situation, Cancers. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Cancers, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. We have two cards here, so you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys, and I will start with the first card. So let's close our eyes for a few seconds, meditate, and I will start the reading with the first card, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with this card. Let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, what is the card? It is Gretel. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that in your life, in your past, maybe for some of you, you have gone through a lot of traumatic situations. Maybe the elders in your family, they have let you down, they were not quite responsible, and their attitude has affected your life. And whatever you have faced, your challenges, or whatever the traumatic situations you have faced in your life in your childhood years, it has simply made you much more stronger and courageous. And your story is an inspiration. You need not feel shy, or you need not fear. You are someone who's very courageous and strong under difficult circumstances, and you are someone who helps others, who help people, and you are a true defender of friends and family. So it is time you inspire the younger generation with your stories, with your ideas, or how to deal with the problems they are facing right now in their life. And you need to you work well as a team, guys, maybe in your work or in your life, in your family. You are a great person to be with. You have beautiful communication skills. You are quick thinking, protective, and you are someone who is supportive and very resourceful. So the people around you, they find you a very good person to be with, and your abilities and strategies, you can talk about it to the younger generation, whomever you are in contact with today, guys, because your stories are simply going to inspire them today in their life, and your strength and courage. So you are moving on, you have moved on from your past. Maybe something happened, maybe if it is something to do with your relationship, you have moved on from a traumatic relationship, and you have come out as a strong person. And this courage is going to inspire the person you meet now, and they will feel, maybe you will feel that true connection and communication with this person, guys. You need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have round and round. So again, a beautiful card here. So this just means that in your situation today, guys, you just feel that you have come back to that same spot again. And how did you get here? You are simply wondering how things are going in the same way again now, and how to deal with this present situation. So you need to understand that you are here in this particular situation with a particular type of a person, because it is the spirit's plan for your evolution, guys. That is the reason you have circled back to this accustomed spot in your life today. So this time around, you will know what you need to do differently, maybe respond differently now, or behave differently, because you know from your past experience what was your response, and what was that experience, and what you have learned from it. So you need to let go of that blame game, remain curious now to learn any new changes or any new experiences that are coming today. And you need to respond differently, so that way you will not come back to the same spot again in your life, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your relationship, you are having similar problems like the past, maybe like the past experiences. So if you respond differently, you are going to break this cycle today, guys. So that is the energy. So you will be able to find a better person who will be with whom you will be able to connect better and have a beautiful relationship. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. with the two cards we saw. Such a beautiful reading. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like the reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.